Hey, I thought we'd read some little books for a little bit. The book today is Bear Snores On. Remember, these have AR tests, so when you're done listening and reading, you can go on to Clever, pop onto AR, and take a test on these books. Get those points. Bear Snores On. Let's get comfy. Bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. There he is. I'll get a little closer. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small, hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind does not stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Oh, Mouse," said Hare, "long time no see." They pop white corn and they brew black tea. The mouse sips wee slurps. The hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. He's a heavy sleeper. A badger scuttles by and snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share?" "I've brought honey nuts," the badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night!" "What a storm!" twitters wren. And everyone clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter and they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In the cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, mouse seasons stew, then a small pepper fleck makes the bear, what do you think? Huh? Chew! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. The bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. And bear growls and he grumbles. Ooh. "You've snuck in my lair and you've had all the fun. But me, I was sleeping and I have had none." And he whimpers, and he moans, and he wails, and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeals, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see? We can pop more corn and we can brew more tea." Bear gulps and Bear gobbles, and he sighs with delight. And then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on the crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. Look at how comfy cozy they are on Bear. It's nice that they shared with him. What a blustery time. And there we go. Don't forget to type in Bear Snores On.